All right, we're going to look at the carbon-oxygen cycle, and we're going to see how there is a continual movement of these two gases in our ecosystem. Okay, first let's start with photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, we know one of the things that is produced in photosynthesis is oxygen, and that oxygen is given off into the atmosphere. And then that oxygen is taken in to animals, humans are animals as well, that are going to take that in through cellular respiration. Plants also take in the oxygen as well because they're going to use it in cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is when we take our food and we break it back down to get the energy out of it. And one of the things that's given off from cellular respiration is carbon dioxide. And then that carbon dioxide is given off into the atmosphere. So in photosynthesis, oxygen is given off. In cellular respiration, carbon dioxide is given off. So how do living things get and use this energy? Well, first of all, we know that plants use photosynthesis to get their energy, and that's going to originally come from the sun up here. So the sun's energy is taken in by the plant and oxygen, and this is showing in the ocean. Lots of the photosynthesis that takes place on Earth happens in the ocean in algae. And so whether it's aquatic plants or terrestrial plants, they are going to give off oxygen, which is going to be taken in by animals and humans and things like that. So we're taking in the oxygen that was given off in the process of photosynthesis. Now, as humans and animals, there are many ways that we contribute carbon dioxide back to the air. When we do cellular respiration, that's when we're breaking down our food, we are going to give off carbon dioxide into the air. Carbon dioxide also is given off from factories, from farm machineries, or even other machineries that are burning gasoline. Volcanic activity is going to give off carbon dioxide. When things die and decompose, they're going to give off carbon dioxide. So there's lots of ways that carbon dioxide gets into the air, but there's only one way that carbon dioxide gets taken out, and that's by the plant. Because remember, CO2 is used by the plant along with sunlight and water for photosynthesis to happen. So it's really important that these plants are doing photosynthesis, because too much carbon dioxide in the air can cause the temperature to continue to rise, because carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. So when photosynthesis is happening, carbon dioxide is being taken out of the air. So when we have deforestation, when a lot of plants are being removed, or let's say there's a forest fire and a bunch of plants get burned down, then that means that there is less carbon dioxide being taken out of the air. So more carbon dioxide builds up in the atmosphere, and we're getting less and less oxygen given off.